Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Greg Allison with Green Greg's Garden and Worm Farm, coming to you on the 26th day of April 2021. And today is a holiday for me in a sense. It is a day to celebrate as I blow the mosquitoes off my hand. Because this is the 10th anniversary of the day I got my first worms. Yes, today I have officially been in the worm business for 10 years. It's also a year and one day because a year ago yesterday I shut down the business because I had a lot of difficulties going on in my life vis-a-vis, mosquitoes again, vis-a-vis, well, my dad died, my brother died, post office seemed to be killing all the worms they were shipping. I was having a lot of problems, plus I had suddenly got a big rat infestation into my house. I don't mean mice, I'm talking about gopher rats. And I had my hands full. And I knew I needed to redo my web page. My old web page was just too clunky and a lot of things that just needed to be reworked. And so I've been working on that stuff. And guess what? I hope within just a matter of days, maybe by Worm Wednesday, this Wednesday, I hope to be able to put my website up. If I do, you'll see another video from me announcing I'm selling worms again. I am working on the website. I'm trying to get it ready to go. I've also got to get my trauma fixed. So once I get the trauma fixed and the website's ready to go, we should be in business. So that's what it boils down to. I've been a bit hobbled this week because a week ago today I got rear-ended. And I got ran into by a transfer truck and ran into a light pole, kind of like a power pole type pole. And it totaled my vehicle. It was 2 collisions. And I'm still hobbling around. My ankle, my knee, my right leg hurts. My left ankle hurts a bit, but not as bad. I still have some pain in my back and my neck, but nothing's broken. Nothing's exactly sprained. That's just the jarring of the whole thing. You know, I got bruises and I got some scrapes and cuts. I had a headache the day after, of course. Pretty good one, and a little mild one. Held on for a while. My neck was sore as all get out, but you know, a man's got to do what a man's got to do. So, fortunately, I got a little help. I wouldn't have been able to done the last bit of putting compost and worms in these new beds had I not had some help. Because that's just a little bit beyond my stretch right now. But with the right help, I'm hoping to be in business again. So, all right, here's the deal. Let's check this out, guys. Get my weight off that ankle. I got a light in here. These are my new plywood worm beds. Yes, y'all have asked me for a video on these plywood worm beds, and you're going to get a video on that either this Wednesday or next Wednesday. Probably next Wednesday because I got a lot of editing to do. Oh, all right, it's a little bit more I can do to open this up. Hang on, guys. I will open this. So I need both hands. I need to keep my left foot up, not put any weight on it. Now, I will show y'all inside here. Pardon me for turning the world upside down. A little hard for me to handle. Got a light in here, which keeps most of the worms down. And if you look carefully, you might see the soil kind of moving around some. Look here, guys. This is what I'll be selling, guys. This is what I'm going to be selling. We got worms. Check it out. And they'll be selling soon. And my new website's going to have videos where other people are talking about receiving worms from me, so you can see what it looks like to get worms from Greg Allison from Green Greg's Garden and Worm Farm. So all that's coming soon. Hopefully I'll get a video on how to build these worm beds out in the next few days. I like these plywood beds, and I like my sled beds. And I got those big in-ground beds too. They each got their own niche and purpose. I also will probably put my barrel beds back into activation here soon. So the barrel halves, which I haven't used in a couple of years, you can see them up there. I will do video on that. I've got a freezer here, which is I'm using the staging area for building these beds, that I will put into service as a worm bed. I got a couple of refrigerators, some bathtubs. I'll show you how to convert all those into worm beds. So yeah, this is Worm Bed Central. We got a lot more worm beds now, and we'll be adding more. So you'll get to see how to do all these things. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, bang the notification bell, and click all, so you can get all the notifications of my future videos, because I do videos on worms. I do videos on gardening, aquaponics, microgreens. So there'll be more of those kind of things coming out. I am getting my aquaponics system going again. Now they have well water. I've got a trailer set up to grow microgreens in. I just got to set the racks up inside of it, hopefully within a week. So there'll be a lot going on here. I got garlic and growing in the garden right now, some onions, a few other little things. So yeah, there'll be a lot more videos coming out not too distant future. Sorry for my lapse of late, but the accident plus trying to get our website up has really delayed me on a lot of the things I normally do. So just stay tuned, and we'll get a lot more coming at you if the skeeters don't eat me alive. And also, hey, it's growing season. Talking about gardens, if you're not gardening already, you need to be growing your own food, guys. For prepping, food costs are going up, things that are coming, you need to be growing your own food. So with, you can get the best kind of seeds, the kinds you can replant, heirloom seeds, open air pollinated seeds. Go to True Leaf Market. Check my link out to True Leaf Market, and that'll help my channel, help me and help you too. So do that, give me some thumbs up on the channel, leave us some comments below, and I hope all's well. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Have an awesome day. 10 years of Green Greg's Garden and Worm Farm. Actually, I meant to say one other thing. I studied diligently for a year before I started my worms. I actually read probably 24 books, cover to cover, on raising worms. I read tons of articles, went to all kind of internet sites, YouTube videos, and I talked to people that were worm farming. I talked to 3 separate worm farmers in great depth before I ever started on my own. So I had a year of extensive research before I started this, and that's knowledge I share with you, that and the knowledge I've obtained over the past 10 years. So that's the kind of knowledge I'm sharing with you guys, and it comes from a good depth. So hope you appreciate that, and like I said, subscribe to the channel, bang the notification bell, click all, and check out my link below to True Leaf Market. Also, you might want to get some long-term food storage. Check out my link to go to prepwithgreg.com for that. Another prepping supplies. Thank you for watching.